Hey everyone, it's Kelly. I thought I'd do a video talking about why I'm retiring a lot of my older online workshops. It boils down to the fact that there's a couple of reasons. One is that they're older. I started teaching online workshops specifically, I think it was 2009, a long time ago. And not all of my online workshops, my older online workshops, I should be clear about that, had video. Most of them were PDF file. And the video quality that was available at the time, it's now considered older. And going forward, the more I've thought about it the last couple of years, I really want to be able to focus on live, interactive, virtual workshops that we can talk in real time, we can share, we can discuss different ideas. I just think it's better. That being said, these workshops that I'm going to be doing live will also be recorded, so you have that access. So it's not that I'm going to stop teaching art journaling, collage, painting, bookbinding, all the stuff that I love. I'm not. I'm going to keep teaching it. I just want to focus on new material and the new tools that I have to give you a better experience. And I'm not taking away any of the older access. So if you've signed up for a workshop, it's there until whatever happens. I have no plans to remove that stuff. So if you sign up, you have access for as long as that material is around and available. So you can always do it and work at your own pace. So anyway, I just have been asked, am I retiring? Am I stopping teaching? No, I love art. I love teaching. I love sharing. I love building up ideas and seeing what happens when a group of people gather in some way, shape, or form. And being able to teach virtually allows me to do that. I can reach out to people all over the world and come together in a community. So again, I'm retiring almost all of my earlier online workshops. They're available now till pretty much the end of July. And if you have any questions, you know where to get a hold of me about that. But going forward, I really want to focus on interactive workshops. You can keep your camera off. You don't have to say anything. I'm shy too when I'm not filming material, so I know what it's like. But if you want to be able to interact, it's great. You can ask questions, you can show what you've done and share ideas. And I really think building a community is important as, for artists. It's important for everybody, but it's especially important for artists because a lot of the times we're at home and working alone in our studio space, and it's nice to be able to have somebody else to ask questions and bounce ideas off of. So, all of that being said, I thought I would just take you on a little tour of what my setup is and my workspace. So, and see, I got my headphones on, I got my video. So this is what I do where I film. I'm in the corner of my small apartment. This is my little studio area. I have an easel set up right here. I have all of my stuff. I'm going to move the camera. Don't get sick. I always tell you guys when I'm moving the cameras. But I have all of my stuff here within reach. So like my acrylics are down here. It's a nice little space where I can reach over and grab my tubes of paint, grab my brushes. I've really downsized the last few years. I'm always trying to downsize because I don't have a lot of space, but I've decided, I don't need a ton of paints. I don't need a ton of pencils. I don't need a ton of stuff to be able to make the work that I want to do. So everything that I work with is right here, and I can pull things out and gather them as I need to. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you what my easel setup looks like. Don't get sick. I'm going to move the camera. Whee! So I have everything within reach, and I'm able to work right here. I have my palette set up right here so I can go through and show people how to mix the colors. Up here I tape or clip a piece of palette paper so I can clean my brush and all that jazz on. And I'll go through and I'll share the work. It doesn't matter if it's art journaling or sketching, painting, art journaling, collage for the art life, or if it's, just work for me that I want to do. It's just nice to be able to have everything as I knock it all down within reach. And I can share what I'm doing when I teach my classes, moving the camera again, and I can interact with everybody. So this is my little art studio. This is my art studio turned virtual. And that is my focus with my classes going forward. I don't have, excuse me, the in-person places that I used to have. I don't have a lot of things, but I have the internet. I have whatever this is, an iPad. I don't know. I borrowed it from my kid. I have stuff set up that I can take my class and take what I have to offer and what I want to share and get it out to the world. So if you have any questions about my retirement class, online class sale, let me know. If you have any questions about any of my workshops, I offer every month we have the Art Life workshop community where it's a gathering of people, mostly women artists from all over the world, and we share material. We have a live painting session every Friday for about an hour, sometimes a little bit longer. We have a once a month art journaling workshop. We also have two salons, two virtual salons. I mean, it's all virtual, but we meet and talk and share ideas, ask questions, etc. Worldwide, at least for 4 hours a month. We have a whole bunch of stuff, but it's basically it's an online art workshop community, and it's called The Art Life. You are welcome. And what else do I have? I have every month I try to offer a pay what you can workshop because I believe that art workshops, creativity, art should all be accessible, so I offer that. And then I have another workshop that is sometimes it's art journaling, sometimes it's just painting, sometimes I shouldn't say just, but only the focus is acrylic painting. Sometimes it's mixed media, it's something different every month. So I'm doing that this Saturday, and the focus is on bringing together paper and paint and how I combine the two. So yeah, that's what I got. And if you have any questions, you know where I am. And all of that being said, I hope you get busy creating, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, and thank you for watching and coming into my little art space. Take care.